Hello and welcome to Miss Lily's Fun Classroom. Today we're going to dive into the fascinating world of sound and light. Ready to explore? Let's jump right in. We'll be delving into the properties of sound and light through hands-on activities and demonstrations. So let's get started and uncover the secrets of sound and light. Sound and light are like the dynamic duo of our sensory experience, each bringing its own unique qualities to the table. Let's take a closer look at these phenomena and understand how they work. First up, let's unravel the mystery of sound, that invisible wave that travels through the air and vibrates our eardrums. With our ears, we can listen to the melodies of music, the chatter of voices, and the rustle of leaves in the wind. Let's explore the different sources of sound and how they travel through various mediums. Now let's venture into the world of light, that dazzling stream of energy that illuminates our world. With our eyes, we can see the vibrant colors of the rainbow, the shimmering stars in the night sky, and the twinkling lights of a city skyline. As we journey through the realm of sound and light, we'll gain insights into the principles of physics and optics that govern their behavior. From musical instruments to prisms and lenses, we'll explore engaging explanations and demonstrations that showcase the properties of sound and light. Let's embrace the wonder and excitement of learning how these phenomena shape our world. Let's reflect on our exploration today. We've ventured into the world of sound and light, discovering the beauty of their properties and how they influence our sensory experiences. Sound and light are indeed fundamental aspects of our existence, enriching our lives in countless ways. Isn't it fascinating? Thank you for joining me on this captivating journey into the world of sound and light, Miss Lily. I hope you found our exploration enlightening and engaging. Keep an eye out for these phenomena in your everyday life, and remember to embrace the wonder of their presence. Until next time, in Miss Lily's Fun Classroom, farewell.